Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta working as assistant professor at Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Science, Graphics and Creative Design. Introduce the waterfall model as one of the oldest and most widely known software development process model. Mentioned that the session will cover the model's origins, characteristics, phases, advantages, limitations, and applications. The waterfall model is one of the earliest software process model and is inspired by engineering processes. It assumes that requirements are clearly understood at the beginning, making it ideal for the statistic environments like military or government projects. Each phase must be completed before the next starts, ensuring through documentation and predictable process. However, this rigidity is a backbone in modern software development where iterative feedback is essential. Testing comes late, increasing the cost of fixed errors or accommodating changes user needs. Despite its limitations, it remains a foundational concept and is still used in niche areas with stable requirements. The evaluation of software reflects the growing complexity of user requirements. Software is now the backbone of smart and connected systems, driving innovation in industries like healthcare, finance, and transportations. Software is categorized based on its function. For example, embedded software drives the smart in smart devices. The diversity in types of software showcases its role in simplifying and enhancing user experience across various domains. Each step in software process builds on previous one, ensuring that a final product is robust and user-friendly. This approach reduces risk and ensures alignment with user goals. Without a defined process, software development becomes error-prone. The process ensures that the project stays on track and aligned with user and business objectives. The process models are essential frameworks tailored to different project needs. Each model has its strengths and weaknesses, making it vital to choose the right one of the job. The waterfall model is suitable for projects with clear and stable requirements like traditional engineering process. Agile is popular in modern software development because its focus on continuous improvement and user involvement. Team works in sprint, delivering features incrementally. Each model serves specific needs. Agile is ideal for dynamic requirements, while waterfall is suited for static ones. Choose based on project complexity, team expertise, and user expectations. There is no one size fits all approaches in software engineering. Adapting the process to fit the project context ensures quality and efficiency, always aligns the development process with the end goal for optimal results. So there is no one size it's fits all approaches in software engineering. Adapting the process to fit project context. Thank you.